This is a dog bowl. If you place it over a firecracker and adjust the angle, the blast will send the bowl flying toward a chosen direction. But the bowl creates too much air resistance, so you reshape it into a streamlined bullet-like form, greatly improving both accuracy and range. Still, this kind of projectile lacks power. Against heavily armored targets like tanks, it does almost no damage. To increase its destructive force, you fill the projectile with high explosives and install a detonator at the tip. To make it fly even farther, you add a flared horn-shaped steel tube at the rear, pack it with solid fuel, and install a small rocket motor. Once the angle is set and the motor is ignited, the projectile launches forward and rushes toward its target. Congratulations, you've created a rocket projectile. To make it more stable and accurate, you add 4 foldable fins to the tail. Then you find a thick sealed launch tube, slide the rocket inside, and install a trigger as the ignition mechanism. When the trigger is pulled, propellant gases inside the launch tube ignite in a confined space. The rapidly expanding gas ejects the rocket forward, much like firing a bullet. Once airborne, the rocket motor ignites, the fins deploy, and the projectile stabilizes itself in flight. When the warhead strikes the target, the detonator triggers the explosive inside. The released energy continues forward due to inertia, forming an extremely fast, high-temperature metal jet capable of breaching even tank armor. If you integrate all these components into a single system and add an optical sight that combines range finding and aiming, then congratulations, you've invented the RPG rocket launcher.